get to this party, right? My son is right there sitting. I'm comforted now. He break his hand, and I saw there and I said, what will happen to this child? He do a surgery and it didn't complete properly. So he hand fall off and he start to septic. And I sit and I cry. I said, Mommy, we gone to the hospital, no attention. Then said, next week, but my son hand is running information. So I asked, I said, where more I could go? Them say, I got a man named Barra Jagio, your vice president. Me said, but I can't read this man because they said only special people. They said, go. And I gone at Freedom House and I sit downstairs. When the guards come, he said, you're so. I said, I'm a Region 1 resident and I need to see my vice president. He said, okay, give me your name and your concern. Come down back. He said, you could go upstairs. When I gone, vice president look at me. He said, what bring you here? I take off my son wrap from his hand. He said, no, emergency surgery tonight. That is how my vice president is work. And when the surgery complete, I start to cry because when I reach to the hospital, every doctor running. Who is Neil Abrams? Why y'all report us? Me said, no, we ain't report. We need emergency because the child has septic in. When I gone home sleep, I can't rest. I said, the people will kill me son because they're vexed. Because they tell me I must go and find out the doctor that do my son's surgery. So they put all the doctors. And when I find you out, he shake his head. He said, this is not nice. So when I gone home, my phone ringing 12 o'clock at night. When I answer my phone, there it is, Vice President. He said, your surgery complete, your son okay. He wake up. I said, thank you so much. He said, meet me by my office. When I gone, he gave me an envelope with 100,000. He said, this is for take your child back to Region 1. And that is how I know that this government doing well and my son is getting employment public assistance people. I take this public assistance to 2 sisters because I alone is work and maintain them. The father don't take care of them and I bought a 40. And I bought a boat with the 330 that I get for 6 children. I received 330 grand. And I am happy for this government and I tell my son that training the police, I need your X on that cup up to last night. Don't mistake. Mommy, I hear you. I say you must hear to me. Because the government doing a wonderful thing. You're training for police. But don't forget where your X got to go. And I told Miss Sarah, I said, all I want that my children get their education. And only PPP government will do this, my people. And I am so happy to be a member of the PPP and I will never change. And I need my whole community and council to follow our PPP government because we're getting a lot of projects. And if all shall complete, we would have a better Santa Cruz. And I'm happy for this government and I would never change because if it was not for the government, my son would have lost one hand. And thank God for Barra Jagio and I'm happy for my government. Thank you.